What's going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be talking about how to stay consistent with your trades, guys. How to stay consistent and stay profitable, because a lot of traders will get profit, then it'll take it back, take profit, then take it back. So they're pretty much just breaking even day after day, month after month, and they need to create some of the stuff we're going to be talking about in this little lecture. So let's jump into it, guys. Alrighty. So the first thing that you guys have to do is you have to be consistent with your effort, because effort is honestly by far one of the most important things that you can have. Whether you're a hedge fund trader or you're just a small retail trader starting out, you're going to have to put an effort to it. This includes anything from studying the markets to researching investments and preparing yourself the night before for the morning ahead. So effort is big time, guys, and that this could also include reading books, because day trading and trading the stock market, each day it's different. Each day there's different stocks, there's different patterns, so you have to have consistent effort to understand everything that's going on. Alright, so let's jump into the next thing. Now, this is one of the things that I needed help big time when I first started trading, and this is to create a routine. So this includes what time you get up in the morning, when you go to an office if you have one, if you're a full-time or professional trader, what time you get home, when do you eat dinner, what time do you trade, or what time do you go to bed. So one of the biggest things that I found out is I trade better when I work out in the morning. So most days, obviously not all days, but most days, probably maybe 4 out of the 5 trading days, I will actually wake up at 6 a.m., go for a jog, because for me that helps me clear my head, that helps me kind of get my brain going and everything starts moving. So that's what I had to figure out. I had to figure out a routine that works for me. So pretty much my routine is I wake up, I'll go to the gym, I will come back, take a shower, have some oatmeal or breakfast, and then I'll turn on my trade idea scanner, start looking at stocks that are moving pre-market, stocks that I see some sort of potential throughout the day, and then 9:30, or pretty much 9:15, 9:10, I will start creating a watch list. Picking 3 stocks that I see more potential, stocks that are maintaining pre-market highs, stocks that have higher volume. I just want to be 100% ready for the day, and then when 9:30 rolls around, by 9:05 or 9:40, I'm already taking trades, I'm already in the market, and then I normally am done by at least 11, if not sooner. So that's pretty much just my trading day, and then I will create a YouTube video, a podcast, and just do a variety of things. So then by the time I'm done with everything, it's probably roughly maybe around 3 or 4, and then I go start making dinner, and then maybe turn on a TV show and do some work on my computer, still looking at stocks that are moving throughout the day. So that's pretty much what I do on a day-to-day basis. So that consists of effort and a routine. So it's kind of like a combination of both. So let's move on to the next one. So creating a routine is very, very important as day traders, guys. All right. So now this is another thing that I've struggled with. When I first started trading, I wanted to learn every strategy. I wanted to learn everything, guys. I wanted to I wanted to know it all, I guess. So I felt when I was trading, I knew what I was doing, but I didn't, if that makes sense. I felt like I had too much noise, too much things going on, and I just got lost. Now, obviously, when that happens, that is terrible, because then you start losing money. Then everything just starts going bad, and it just does not work. It doesn't work good. So what I had to do is I had to kind of take a step back, take a couple of days off to paper trade, and I had to commit to one strategy that worked well for me, and that definitely worked. And then I became, I started to trade more, and I built up an account, and then everything started working out for me. So the biggest thing, commit to one strategy, and obviously each day is going to be different, but what you do is each day you alter your strategy. If there's stocks that are crazy and are moving awesome, then you use your normal strategy. But if it's a little slower day, maybe you adjust your strategy, adjust your criteria, and you can still make money in slow markets, guys. Just because, let's say, the S&P is down, does not mean small caps are going to be down, because really small caps have no correlation to the larger cap stocks in the S&P in the market. So commit to a strategy, and find something that works for yourself. All right. Now, this one is very, very important. This is to create rules. So this is kind of piggybacking off commit to a strategy here. So what I found is that when I had a set of rules that pretty much determined a way to pick my stocks, way to pick my entries, my stops, and maybe my target goals. Maybe I have goal 1, 2, 3, 4. I take profit at goal 1, or profit 1, and I start scaling out in between 2 and 3 if it goes up that high. But so I had to figure out a set of rules, and if a stock did not meet these set of rules, then I'm not going to trade it. I want to trade the best and leave the rest. I don't want to be tuned in to one stock where I'm like, oh my god, I have to trade it, and then I see it either rallying up more and I know I could have got in. But if I have a set of rules that say, okay, I can get on the first micro pullback here, so and maybe setting my stops below either a moving average line or maybe below a certain price point, so then the stock rallies up. Okay, it's up 4%. I'm going to start taking profit. Maybe if I sell half my shares, so now I'm up $200, $300, and then it maybe consolidates for a minute, and then I move my stop up, and then I just keep adjusting my things, so I have create a set of rules to make money, because a set of rules will make you more consistent with your trades, because you're less likely to break your strategy and the set of rules you created. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much I believe that's it. Yeah, so if you guys learned something, awesome. If you guys have any questions here, please drop a comment on this video. And we're almost to my subscriber goal of 500, so if you guys want to stay tuned and join me every morning with my trade idea scanner, drop a subscribe below. Like the video if you learned something, guys. So that is it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, everyone. Peace out.